Hello, I'm going to show you how required fields for edit profile work. Those fields allow you to set required fields in edit profile for your any user to fill in before adding ads. Now, if you have not selected any of those fields, the user is redirected to My Submissions list after logging. Let's check it. I have here a demo copy installed. Any of you may download this demo and install on your hosting. Let's log in as a standard user, and now I'm redirected to My Submissions list because none of the required fields are set by the administrator. But let's check another scenario. Let's come back to the administrator and set, for example, first name as a required field. Save changes, and now I come back to my test user. Once again. And now I should be redirected to edit profile. Yes, I'm redirected to edit profile page with the alert, fill in the required fields to add ads. Let's check if I can add ad. No, I cannot add ad because I'm still redirected to edit profile. Now I see that first name is required, and let's check if I'm able to update my profile without filling in this field. I'm not able to update my profile, so I need to fill in the field and update my profile. My profile has been updated, so now I should be able to add my ad. Let's check it. Yes, I'm redirected to add advert page. And I would like to mention another scenario. I'm logged as a test user here, but you, as an administrator, decided to set another field to be required. For example, about me. Save changes and come back to my user and click post an ad. I'm not able to post an ad because I see that another field is required about me, and now I need to fill in this field to, this is my bio, to add an advert. And now I'm able to add an advert. And that is all. This is very easy. Thank you for watching, and bye.